What's better than investing in crypto and over time the value is going up and then you are in the middle of a bull run like we are right now, so the value keeps on going up? In fact, the Crypto.com coin itself at the middle of last month was about $0.2, which is about 20 shillings. And as I checked this morning, it was at 0.73, about 70 shillings. And that's an increase of about 3 times in just 1 month. But apart from that, which we'll go to on how to be able to buy, in this video I want to show you how you can be able to earn interest on the crypto that you have already purchased. It's called crypto staking, and the second is called crypto earn. They look alike because you keep on earning interest, but they are different. Let's get those credits rolling. Crypto.com continuously is becoming more and more of a household name. Crypto.com, the coin itself, has had a very massive run up in price over the last 4 to 6 weeks. And in this video, I want to show you how you can be able to take advantage of the same. So the first thing that you will need to do is purchase your own Crypto.com coin. So it's very simple. You just go on the app, first link in the description below to sign up, and then you will put in your card. Now in the previous video I showed you bank cards where you can be able to actually purchase this. On the app itself, just indicate the currency as Kenya shilling and you can be able to transfer one-to-one the amount of money straight into your account. For the first 30 days there is no fee that you are charged. After that there is a small nominal credit card fee or debit card fee. Once you have made this purchase of the fiat, the next thing that we need to do right now is convert this Kenya shilling into CRO, and that is simple. I'm showing it on the screen. All you just need to do is click on the coin itself and then indicate how much you want to convert, and it's simple. There is a very small fee or a zero fee and you have converted the same. Once you have done this, there are ways of making money with the crypto that you have already purchased. Normally you would make money by what is known as hodling, which just simply means that you buy and you hold that particular coin. But on this app, it is possible for you to start making money with the money that you have placed there, similar to what you would have done in the bank with a fixed deposit account. But the major difference is you are getting sometimes even double-digit interest rates, APR, and you will get this over a long period of time. And of course, your crypto at the same time is increasing in value. So the first way of staking that I'll talk about is on the app. When you are staking CRO on the app, you can use this to reserve a Crypto.com card. Now Crypto.com has a debit card, but it's currently not available in Kenya. When it is, I will do a specific video about it because there are so many benefits that you can get with the Crypto.com card. The second benefit of staking on the app is to get what are known as purchase rebates. Now at the time that you are doing a transaction on the app, there are some fees, and this is a way that the exchange makes money and the company makes money. But if you stake CRO, meaning that you have placed it in a fixed deposit for 6 months, on the app it's 180 days, you will get discounts, and I'll display the discounts on the screen. The next thing that you will get are known as better rates on crypto credit and crypto earn. Later we'll talk about crypto earn, but these are the benefits of staking CRO. Please note that when you are staking CRO, the payments are done weekly. So every single week you will get into your wallet the rewards from, depending on the amount of CRO that you have actually staked. You can also stake CRO on the exchange. Now, we just talked about the app. The exchange is now on your laptop or on your desktop. This is where you now put an amount to get different benefits. So depending on the amount of CRO that you have staked, these are the benefits that you will get. The first that we talked about is a rebate, which means you get a discount on the fees that are charged when you are trading on the platform. The second thing that you get is an interest of 10% APR, the annual percentage rate, daily on the amount that you have staked on the platform. You also get access to what is known as the syndicate. Now, this is what that means. The syndicate is a fundraising platform for the most promising crypto projects to list their coins or tokens on the Crypto.com exchange. CRO holders, those who have staked CRO on the exchange, will receive priority token allocation for these events at a discount. What you need to do is make sure that you have staked at least 5,000 CRO at the time of recording this video. That's about $3,500. Once you have staked this, then you get access to the syndicate. This means that any projects that are currently on the launchpad of Crypto.com, you will get priority and get them at a discount. This is an additional benefit for you as a holder, because not only are you getting the 10% APR on the 5,000 CRO that you have staked, you are also getting early access to a new project. Say a project is going to launch at $1. If you actually stake, you will get a 50% discount. This requires you to follow the rules of that supercharger allocation. You'll probably be told to stake for about 30 days or 45 days. There is what is known as a charging period and a reward period, where you get rewards periodically depending on the allocation itself. But this is a great way of you actually making money, because if you're getting it at 50%, when it finally launches and you sell, you are making twice the amount of money from the rewards that you got, and you still have the coin that you had staked already. What you start getting access to once you get to 5,000 CRO staked is you start getting discounts on the rates and fees that you would have paid on the platform. So for 5,000 CRO, it is 10%. For 10,000, you get 20% maker discount rate. So if you were going to pay, say, 1 cent, you pay 20% less, and it goes on and on until it gets to someone who has done 50 million CRO. They don't pay any fees at all. You can use this to also save yourself anytime that you are purchasing tokens on the Crypto.com site. Thirdly, you can be able to stake on the DeFi wallet. Now, this is one where users delegate their native CRO to designated validators. Validators run nodes so that they can verify transactions on the platform, and this way they get rewards. Crypto.com runs what is known as proof of stake. So these validators bring together users who then have a big stake, and then any transactions that are happening on the platform are validated by these designated validators, and the Crypto.com app then pays them rewards in CRO. They take out their commission, and then you get paid as a user. So this is how to make money on the DeFi app through staking. Now, the second main way of making money on the platform is known as crypto earn. Now, the main difference between crypto staking and crypto earn is the fact that under crypto earn, it is possible to get into what is known as flexible term. This means that if you get into the transaction, you can do this for 7 days or for 5 days or for 1 month. The thing you need to understand is if you pick a fixed term, you will earn more in terms of interest. If you pick the flexible term, even though you can be able to access this money immediately, you will get a smaller interest. But remember, you are getting an interest higher than what the banks would be paying. One thing that is good even for the crypto earn is that apart from CRO, which we talked about in staking, you can also use it under earn. All other currencies you can be able to get crypto earn as well. This is from BTC to ETH to DOT, AVAX. All these you can still be able to earn on them. So even as their value keeps on going up, you are earning something as well. Anytime that you are doing your transactions, always remember that apart from hodling, always look at how can you create passive income as well. And that is how to do it on the Crypto.com app, through staking and through earning. If you haven't watched the first video that I did about Crypto.com, kindly watch it up here, and I'll see you in the next one.